What's up guys, Chris Donnelly with Guarantee RV Centers here in Junction City, Oregon. I want to show you this 2016 Winnebago. This is a 31K floor plan. Let's go inside. This is one of their bigger floor plans, 31 feet long. You've got a big super slide here. Lots of room. What I love about this floor plan is it checks a lot of things off the list. Tons of sleeping. Obviously you have the overhead bunk here that's going to sleep 2 adults or many kids. You've got the couch that makes into a bed, futon style there. This dinette is extra large. So I mean, you're not only seating people here to dine, but you can sleep adults on this as well. The other thing I really love that people always ask me for, I need counter space. This thing has a ton of counter space on it. So prepping food, setting things up, doing whatever you need to do. You've got a great galley here to work with. So not just good counter space, but of course cupboards, drawers, everything like that. Of course, good Winnebago quality, good wood. Nice ball bearing guides, all of that good stuff. This one's got a holding tank heater on it here, so for cold weather camping, stuff like that, you don't need to worry. Nice little pantry here with some pull-out drawers as well. That's another thing I get asked. I need a pantry. You got a pantry. Nice fridge, good size. And then we've got the separate water closet and the shower here. This is a nice big shower. Water closet here isn't too shabby either. You've actually got a sink with a countertop here. I like this. I like spreading my stuff out, my toiletries and everything like that, instead of always having them in a bag. So that's kind of a nice design. Master bedroom here. Walk around bed. What's nice about this too is you can actually get all the way up to here. There isn't a big step up going into this bedroom at all. So it's all nice and flat, easy to get in and out. Got a big wardrobe over here, a little bit smaller one over there. And of course, if you've got a CPAP or something, that's your side to sleep on. You got a counter to put that on. So nice big open area. If you got lots of kids or just lots of friends that want to use your rig to camp in, this is the one to do it. On the outside here, you're going to have a big, massive awning. This is what I love. This area here, you got no slides obstructing. Big, huge awning that comes out. This is your whole camping area right here, setting up by the picnic table, all that stuff. You do have some storage off the back there that goes under the bed, chairs, tables, stuff like that. Anyways, this is a great floor plan. It's been, you know, in their lineup for a long time, and it's been one of their most popular. So we've got this 2016 right now. Come check it out. We'd love to show it to you.